Today I am reviewing the Samsung 24-inch S30GD Essential Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to outfitting a home office, setting up a student workstation, or building a clean, modern desktop environment, finding a dependable monitor from a trusted brand that strikes the right balance between premium visuals and practical everyday functionality can sometimes be a challenge. That is precisely where the Samsung 24-inch S30GD Essential Monitor comes into play. Known by its model number LS24D304 Gangsa, this monitor represents a brilliant entry into Samsung's everyday display lineup. It is engineered specifically for users who need consistent, high-quality visual performance for long hours of reading, office work, creative projects, or casual entertainment without paying for unnecessary corporate gimmicks. The foundation of any great monitor lies within its panel technology, and Samsung chose the optimal path here by equipping this display with an advanced in-plane switching, or IPS panel. If you are accustomed to older, traditional monitors that suffer from severe color washing or contrast drops whenever you shift your seating position, this display will feel like an absolute revelation. The IPS panel ensures that colors remain beautifully vibrant, bright, and accurate across the entire screen, maintaining its visual fidelity even when viewed from sharp side angles. Whether you are collaborating on a digital design with a colleague sitting next to you, reviewing vast financial spreadsheets, or relaxing back in your chair to watch a movie, tones and shades are represented with stunning accuracy and consistency. While many standard office displays cap out at a generic 60 Hz refresh rate, Samsung has elevated the user experience on this monitor by bumping it up to a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate. This faster refresh cycle brings a noticeable boost to your day-to-day computing. When you are quickly scrolling through extensive web articles, tossing multi-page documents across your desktop, or editing videos, the 100 Hz performance significantly reduces distracting ghosting lag and motion blur. Everything on your screen simply moves with fluid grace. This added speed also unlocks surprisingly solid casual gaming performance. To complement the 100 Hz capability, Samsung has integrated a dedicated game mode that can be toggled on instantly. When activated, Game Mode automatically optimizes color and image contrast across the display. It works to brighten up deep, dark shadows while preserving details and bright highlights, ensuring that enemies hiding in the dark become instantly visible. It also dynamically scales the input processing to ensure your games fill the screen beautifully, giving casual players a distinct competitive edge without needing an expensive, overly aggressive gaming monitor. Because most users spend multiple continuous hours looking at their screens, desktop comfort is incredibly critical. Samsung addresses this head-on with their advanced iCare technology. The monitor features built-in flicker-free engineering alongside a dedicated low blue light filter. These systems work tirelessly behind the scenes to minimize invisible screen flickering and reduce the harmful blue light wavelengths that are notorious for causing headaches, physical eye strain, and sleep disruption. This means you can stay focused on intensive work tasks or stream your favorite entertainment series late into the night while keeping your eyes completely comfortable and fresh. From an aesthetic standpoint, this monitor brings an undeniably sleek, modern look to any room. It sports an ultra-slim chassis profile accented by gorgeous, three-sided ultra-thin border bezels. This near-frameless design not only maximizes your viewable screen space, but also creates a seamless aesthetic that blends perfectly into contemporary workspaces. If you ever decide to set up two of these side by side for a dual monitor workflow, the ultra-thin bezels ensure that your mouse cursor and windows slide across the displays with almost zero visual interruption. The physical stand offers a clean, lightweight footprint that doesn't hoard valuable desk real estate, featuring an ergonomic tilt-only adjustments so you can angle the display perfectly to eliminate harsh overhead room glare. Finally, user convenience is prioritized with flexible connectivity. The monitor allows you to plug your laptops, desktop towers, or media devices straight into the back with ease, keeping your setup highly adaptive. Backed by Samsung's legendary manufacturing quality, this display is built to be an enduring staple of your digital lifestyle. Ultimately, The Samsung 24-inch S30GD Essential Monitor proves that you do not need to spend flagship money to enjoy a truly premium, eye-friendly, and ultra-smooth viewing experience. It is a fantastic, versatile investment designed to elevate your daily productivity and entertainment for years to come.